Nilinaw ng Malacanang at ng Department of Energy na walang anumang formal na pag-uusap tungkol sa joint oil and gas exploration sa West Philippine Sea. Nagbabala naman ang ilang grupo at sinabing hindi dapat malagay sa alanganin ang soberanya ng bansa sa anumang joint exploration na papasukin ng Pilipinas. May unang balita si Dano Tingkungko.
Hawak ang mga mini bariles ng langis, nagbabala ang Akbayan Party List at Atin Ito Coalition sa anumang joint oil exploration o development na pwedeng pasukin ng Pilipinas sa China.
Pursuit of energy security must not cost us our sovereignty. The government must protect us from predatory agreements with global superpowers like China that will cost us our seas.
Joint exploration is actually rewarding bad behavior. Para na nating pinalalampas ang ginagawa ng China na pambabraso, pang-trespass at paggamit ng dahas laban sa ating mga kababayan.
Yung joint development po, panalo po ang China, whether we agree to the joint development or not.
Naunang binanggit ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na bukas siya sa pag-uusap sa joint exploration sa West Philippine Sea kasama ang China. Pero nilinaw ng Malacanang at ng Department of Energy na walang anumang formal na pag-uusap sa panukalang ito.
I don't think there has been any official discussion on this.
Ayon kay retired Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, dati nang muntik magkaroon ng kasunduan sa China ng joint oil exploration noong panahon ni dating Pangulong Duterte. Pero binawi ng China last minute ang kasunduan.
Joint development means China owns the oil and gas, but out of friendship with other countries, it will allow other countries to participate in developing the oil or gas field. We cannot agree to joint development because we have exclusive sovereign right to develop all the natural resources.
Giit ni Carpio, kung meron mang papasuking anumang kasunduan sa China, kailangan malinaw sa probisyong pag-aari ng Pilipinas ang lahat ng langis at gas na makukuha. Kailangan din ipatupad ito sa ilalim ng service contract system ng gobyerno para sa proteksyon ng bansa.
No country has accepted China's joint development concept, and we should not. The ideal scenario is the MOU that we signed, wherein we offer it to any country that wants to develop under the same terms, 60-40, but whoever agrees to that must acknowledge that the oil and gas belong to us.
Sakaling dito man mapunta ang anumang pag-uusap, nagpaalala si Akbayan Representative Chel Jokno na dapat masigurong alam ng publiko ang lahat ng detalye nito.
Any discussion involving our natural resources is a public matter. The Filipino people have the right to know the terms, conditions, and even concessions being negotiated. Hindi pwedeng idaan sa secret o backroom deals ang kinabukasan ng ating bansa. As a member, we will ask the House Special Committee on the West Philippine Sea, together with other relevant committees, to exercise oversight and look into these oil talks to ensure transparency, accountability, and adherence to the Constitution.
Susulat daw ang Akbayan sa House West Philippine Sea Subcommittee sa pagbubukas ng sesyon sa susunod na linggo para humingi ng executive meeting kasama ang Department of Foreign Affairs. Ito ang unang balita, Dano Tingkungko, GMA News.